My dog is telling you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Woof. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Many of you have been asking me to create an updated video today to show you how to get free VC in 2K26. I've managed to find a 2K26 VC glitch. That's going to get you 450,000 virtual currency. This is a working NBA 2K26 locker code that you can use right now and enter in-game, and it's going to save you a bunch of money. This is 450,000 VC, costs around $100 US, and this is working on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam as well. So this is a simple code that you can enter in your 2K26 game. Before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I do plan on making more tutorials for 2K26. So let's get into the video and show you how to get your free VC code. What you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone here. We do this on Android as well. And what you're going to want to do, guys, is just head on over to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, just type it like this, cold coupons. And this is a secret codes website. They have game codes for tons of different games on here. They have mobile games, video games, stuff like that. They even have shopping websites. So go to the search bar and just type in NBA 2K26. You're looking for this page here, guys. Now, what you're going to want to do on this page, as you can see, this is really popular. Thousands of people have used this method. Scroll down and find the 450,000 free VC code. So this is a NBA 2K26 locker code that you can enter in-game, and it is going to supply your account with this huge amount of VC. So this entire process only takes a few minutes, guys, and it is well worth it considering what it's going to save you. So as you can see, your NBA 2K26 locker code is locked, and you need to unlock your code. That's basically because these are limited codes there, guys, and you can only do this once. Now, I've already done this, so I can't do it again. But what you're going to want to do, guys, is just click on Get Full Code, and you need to follow the instructions on the screen here to unlock your locker code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions below each app. Now, as you can see, guys, these are all completely free, and it takes about 5 minutes. But all you need to do is follow the task descriptions. So that tells you how to complete each specific task, and you need to select 2 of them. They're really easy things, by installing TikTok and open it for 30 seconds. So if you don't have TikTok, this is a really easy one where it takes you to the App Store and you would download it and open it for 30 seconds. But yeah, just complete any 2 tasks on this screen, and once you do that, your VC locker code will be fully revealed here, and you can redeem it in your 2K26 game. And that is sort of a free VC glitch, because this code isn't supposed to give you that much of VC, but it does. So head on over to Cold Coupons and go ahead and scroll down and find the 450,000 VC code on the 2K26 page. That is how to get free VC, guys. Make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.